Alright, I have a Paul Reed Smith amp, and the complaint is power's up, but no sound. Alright, here we go, powered up, we're in the clean channel, got all the little blue lights lighting, very fancy. I'm putting in my audio source, just playing some music, hook up my scope. I'm going to put it on the input jack just to make sure I have level on my scope, and I do. I see level. Okay, and now I am going to, we know that in a tube amp the plates are pin 1 and pin 7, so we know we should have audio on pins 1 and 7. It's just the way it goes. So I put this on pin 1. Now I should have a nice fat signal there, and don't really have anything there, and that's a problem. Alright, here we go. Little camera swap. There's what my scope looks like on the input jacks, and now we go over to pin 1. Pin 1 on the scope, and there's not shit there, so we know that that's where our problem is. So we know with most preamp tubes, we know the voltages are, there's going to be a high voltage on the plate. Let me put this up here where you can see it. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so put the ground on the ground, go to pin 1 on the next tube over, and it looks like we have 294 volts there. Now we go to that first tube, we have 8 volts. 8 volts does not cut it on a preamp tube. So now we're going to swap in a different tube and see if that voltage comes up. Alright, so I took out the old tube. Once again, let's check our voltage on pin 1. Let's see if it's back or if it's still missing. And there we have 204. That's pretty good. So with the new tube in, and there we go, we have audio now. Sometimes it's that easy. You just go through the steps.